way, for something happened. And Lou stated, damn right it was.
Right.
We were shocked watching people go buy 500 pounds of meat and 68 gallons of milk and 3,000 rolls of toilet paper and 12 boxes of Metamucil and wiping out
Crates of chicken and a biscuit. Get that. I bought all the chicken and a biscuit.
Well, but they were worried about that. They're worried about how this is going to affect the stock market and the dollar and inflation. They're worried about what is the religious community going to do, because there's always some wingnut who says, well, here comes Armageddon. It's time for, I'm not going to let them aliens get me. I'll take my family out, me out, before I go do that. They're worried about that.
Or here comes that new religion. Spin into,
Well, look at Hail on. Those weirdos who went kill themselves. Forget the Dallas Heaven's Gate. That happened on, I think, March 28th. Right after. Art Bell got blamed. It's probably transmission. Art Bell got blamed for that. But the point is, they are worried about that. They're worried that does this whole potential situation with extraterrestrials and ET contact all of a sudden start another world war? Does it escalate things? That's
look like it's going to be entirely left to humanity's time frame or governments to make that determination. I think if they don't, if they see the escalating amounts of crap around nuclear assets, both civilian and military, and the increased frequency and the increased
Number of
percent of contact that it appears that there's an escalation of something and we don't know what, and we may not be left to a long time frame to sort this out and try and educate the masses ourselves before we get educated whether we like it or not. So, let the chips fall where they may. I understand where this is coming from on that. We need to get in front of this, and it's going to have to sort itself out however it does. Humanity needs to be aware there's something horizon, and it's up to us to figure what that is, if we can.
Yeah.
At least to try
Well-
and have a conversation about it.
The thing is, Rob, there's a damn good chance, I'll put my hand in the fire on this one, that the government already knows what the message is. They've already been told the message. The government is just doing the hear no evil, speak no evil, see no evil. They're just trying to ignore this stuff because what do they call it back? They're talking about global warming. Inconvenient truth. Well, we don't want to care about what's potentially coming because there's nothing we're going to be able to do to change it anyway, but maybe there is a reason and there is a need for this communication, for this collaboration, for something to go on, and if the governments aren't willing to go ahead and push their information forward, well then the ETs or non-human intelligence, whatever they are going to be pushing that particular agenda forward on their own. Because there's something going on. There's a dang good chance, you know, and Lou knows a lot more. Yeah, always has. To be careful, especially last night he was out on. Hard time last night because he was sick of it. But, you know, there's a lot of information that's there. There's that somber moment. That's been brought up many times in the past. And it wouldn't be somber because we know we have craft flying around.
Incoming transmission. Sky.
There's bigger stuff